The Creator's real name is Saida. In English, only or alone. Saida is a Mindanao language that means he is only or alone. This word has an explanation or where his name comes from. It has been uploaded to YouTube, so read all the videos because some videos there is no audio. They keep from the angels the words that open his name, including his command and will. His order is adjust. This is a challenge. That's why they don't know what to adjust and how to do the will of the Creator. The will of the Creator is to 7 days. These are not days of rest or pray. There is no order to pray. Christ Jesus said that called not to pray, and there is a time for calling. These are the 2 days of time to do the will of the Creator. The first 7 days are a week, no matter what they will do, as long as within a week. This one of the 10 commandments of the Creator brought by Moses. Sanctify the days of conception. It is translated into lesson of pagan. Sanctify the days of rest or Sabbath, because the one who wrote is a man, the one who conceives is a woman. The second 7 days is a day of blessing, different days 8 to do the will of the Creator. These 2 days are sin. How to do the will of the Creator will teach it where the person starts. Those who want to live in that place are the people who will be taken to the door of paradise in heaven, and they are the people who will enter heaven alive. The law in that place is equal, and in that place the word will be fulfilled or done of the Creator who told Adam and Eve that your food comes from what you sweat. The last thing Christ Jesus said, I will call you. Nothing said that will save a person. If you know something that he will save the person, that was added of the writer. I said the reason. When Christ Jesus announced that he was leaving, his disciples asked when he would return. His answer is that when their cold is truly gone, what is written should not happen during the winter, because the writer does not know that there is ice or glaciers in the world. For those who want to enter heaven, there is a mission to encourage the blind. It is necessary to do a mission for it to those who are blind to the truth. All who believe in the books, they are blind to the truth. There is no need to explain. The question is what to do. This channel will post on YouTube, Minando Heavenly News. When someone asks or comments, it means that the mission is over. To use social media, such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. I repeat, pagan is not a nation. That is believed in the first time. The book of pagan was formed by asking questions. None of their questions comes from heaven. The name pagan has been changed to the name now called religion. All the books that there is a visible sign of 2 dots, that is teaching of the pagan. The water that has a spirit, it is the way, the truth, and the life. No one can enter heaven if he does not drink water that has a spirit, because that is a promise. The Iglesia is not a religion, and it is not a church. He is a person who stood there on the stone that became commitment to Mindanao, Philippines. Why I said something different than what is written. There is a reason to read all the videos to know the truth. At the time when Christ Jesus was born, Joseph and Mary traveled to Jerusalem because they did not know when Mary would give birth. During their journey, they found out that Mary would give birth. So they went to the animal pasture, and there Christ Jesus born. Will not believe in the time of Christ Jesus there was snow. The presence of snow happened because they killed Christ Jesus. That is punishment in that place. This message has been translated into different languages so that the whole world knows that the world is on the verge of showing signs that it will end. It's time to choose. What will you choose? Do you stay in your belief or enter heaven? The door of heaven is in the Philippines. Christ Jesus is already calling people who want to enter heaven. It's a commandment, not this religion. Question: is there is a creator? What is his name? What are his commands? Does the world have an end? How does this happen? Is there a heaven? How to enter heaven? All the answers are placed in the nature in this name of the country, Philippines. These are the words of the time in the name of the three groups of island, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Their names and letters are words of the time. It must be explained by the actual, because this is the end of the world, and it contains the name of the Creator, and as well, the Creator's real name is Saida, mabuhay. The words that are set in nature, these are the words of the time that has been hidden for so long. It is now open, and no other person knows it except me, because I have been given the right to know the secrets. I will explain them personal and actual, because it is not understandable if I just say it and write it down. No one will believe it. The whole world needs to know it's about to end. I and the water are the promise of Mindanao, Philippines. I am the iglesia that stood there on the stone that Christ Jesus said to Peter. I have the Spirit that will be put into the water. I will accompany the people there to the door of paradise in heaven. The door of paradise in heaven is in the Philippines. It is not visible, but it has a sign. For the people I will be with, let this sign be known to them. The end of the world is written, how it will happen. It has a sign. The true name of the Creator and His will are placed in nature. All of this I will say in my actual explanation, except for the sign of the door places of paradise in heaven, because I will say it there where it is placed. It is visible. Follow this channel, because in 1 month I will upload your national language, and to know when I will go live and actually explain. I don't insist those who don't want to believe. No human being conceived is fully human. When the end of the world comes, the one who wants to be saved will make his own salvation. It will teach him how to survive when the end comes. Mabuhay.